Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making some coconut flavored rice, and here are my ingredients that I will be using to whip up this delicious treat. So I just wanted to show you the stock that I use. So I use stock pot, right? And you can buy the pre-made stock. You don't have to do the stock pot, but I'm showing you can either use vegetable or chicken stock pot. So here I'm adding 2 cups of stock and 2 cups of coconut milk, right? And I'm going to cover that and bring it to a little simmer. Not a full boil. You can full boil it if you want. So give it a stir, taste it, make sure if it need any salt or anything. Mine didn't. It was perfect. So here I'm adding my rice that has been washed until the water runs clear. Always wash your rice, Vibes fam, right? Get rid of the extra starch. So go ahead and put in your rice in that pot, and then you want to give it a stir to evenly distribute the rice, right? And then you're going to cover it, right? And let it like dry down a bit. So once this is dry down, so this is not cooked as yet, right? But once the liquid goes down like this, then you want to go ahead and stir up the rice just to ensure for an even cook. You want to get the rice, nice and cooked properly. And by the way, Vibes fam, I'm using basmati rice, the same kind of like jasmine rice, right? I don't know if your rice is hard to cook, but say your rice kind of still really tough, just get up, don't add any more water, just get a piece of file paper or plastic and put on it and let it steam. Put over the rice and cover the pot and let it steam. So here it is, all done. And I'm sure you noticed, but in case you didn't pick up, so what I did is equal parts liquid to rice. So I use 4 cups of rice. I guess I didn't say that earlier. I'm sorry. I use 4 cups of rice to 4 cups of liquid. But so I did 2 cups of coconut milk and 2 cups of the stock, right? So yeah, and that gives for a perfect cook. If you don't normally get rice cooked properly, try this method. And as I said, don't add any more liquid if your rice seem like it's not really cooked. Just cover it with whether foil paper or a plastic bag and allow it to steam, right? But look at that beautiful nice shelly rice. I love my rice to be shelly, by the way. It is beautifully cooked. And Vibes fam, here we have it. Here we have this amazing coconut flavored rice. Yes, coming through with the rescue for your little taste buds. Vibes fam, trust me, you need to try this on the days when you can't be bothered. You don't want to make some rice and peas, because you don't got time, then trust me, you need to bust this one out. You need to come out with this. Come with your coconut milk. Come with your little chicken stock or your vegetable stock and just whop it together. Get your rice and yeah, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, Vibes, also, so I use to the 2 cups of water, I use 2 of the stock pot, right? So just so you know exactly what I did. So 2 of the stock pot, but as I said, you can buy pre-made stock, so you don't have to do it that way. And I use chicken stock, by the way, in this recipe. So yeah, Vibes, thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Please like the video. It is free. Like the video and subscribe. Thank you so much. God bless you.